we're done vacuuming the bed, and now let's have a look how much fluff we've got. That's a lot.
I want to see.
That is a lot of dust and fluff.
Can I see?
Wait.
That is a lot, right?
Yeah.
It's like
Can
a
I
cruise
see?
in there.
Can I see?
Ew.
That's
a lot of
crazy,
fluff.
isn't it?
Yeah. And you've been sleeping on that.
Yeah.
Daddy
Amazing.
has been sleeping on the most.
Oh gosh.
Oh, now it's all come out.
Sorry, because... Okay. All the fluff. We're going to have to get that up.
So guys, we'll be back in 1 second. Okay guys, back.
Okay, you got that?
Back in 1 second.
You got that?
Byron, why'd you turn it off?
I thought you were...
You got it?
You
Okay.
didn't ask me if I was done, Byron.
I thought you were...
How do you rate the vacuum so far?
5.
5.
1 to 5? 5?
5.
5,
Yeah.
6.
Do you recommend others getting this vacuum?
Huh?
Do you recommend people getting this vacuum?
10,
Yeah, absolutely.
9, 10, 11.
How much was the vacuum when you got it?
It was $6.99.
Hmm.
7. Yeah, and then the diverter was $99.
So that's basically $800.
Yeah.
A lot of money, but it's a good vacuum.
Yeah.
Our old one, we were scared to get this one because we had another Hoover that blew up.
Yeah.
We were scared to get it.
We
But
were, weren't
this
we?
is, so far it's doing really good.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
This one blows up, we'll be really annoyed.
Yep.
But it's good.
So how do... Okay, turn it off now.
Okay, so
I'm
at the
just
end of the
wondering
video.
if I want to use
Another
that
video?
tool, I don't know how to attach it
Huh?
to it.
What's this?
End of the video.
Man.
Okay, so
Mommy,
that's
what's
the
this?
end.
That's the end.
We like the vacuum a lot. We recommend you getting it.
Yeah.
It might be a lot, but it's still good.
Yeah.
The vacuum is still really good.
I think it's worth it.
Yeah, it's worth
Like-
it.
Pay $400 for one that's no good. You
Yeah.
may as well spend $800 and something that's worth
It's
it.
just double.
If you're going to spend $400, I think you may as
Yeah.
well spend $100.
But we're gonna go now. So see you guys.
Bye.
Bye.